video with me, Kyah Michelle. Today, I'm with Isaiah and my brother, Ezra. Today, we are going to be doing the 3-marker challenge. If you're not familiar with it, we are going to close our eyes and pick 3 markers from a box, and you have to color a whole picture with only those 3 markers. But today, we are going to take it a step further, and we only have 3 minutes to color 1 picture. Let's do it. Time for the marker selection. Ezra, close your eyes and pick 3 markers. Okay, go. Purple, purple, what-ish, orange. Okay, Isaiah, close your eyes and pick 3 markers. Green, teal, green, and yellow. Okay, now I'm gonna close my eyes and pick 3 markers. 1, 2, 3. Yellow, blue, and pinkish purple. Okay, let's color. These are not the best colors because we're coloring Piglet. Next, after we do Piglet, we're going to pick more markers, like different colors, and color these ones, 1 at a time. Alexa, set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes, starting now.
Okay, let's color.
Well, I'm gonna win, so.
Okay. Oh my gosh, this is the worst color ever.
Yes, it is.
It's like a brown, red, pink. It's so weird.
Well, you don't have 3 of the exact same colors.
They're not exactly the same, Isaiah. This is so weird. How's yours coming, Ezra? You got a really good color. You got like a pinkish purple. That's better than this ugly brown color. Like seriously, look at this. It's a lot better. No, it's not. This is like the worst color. Well, Isaiah got green, yellow, and these markers are
More
another
yellow.
green. It's not yellow, it's green. And then more green. He got green, green, yellow. I need to talk to you guys very quick. What do you need to talk to us about? Nothing. What? Okay, well, I'm coloring this like super sloppy because I don't even really care.
Well,
She's
guys,
actually the best ever at coloring, but
mine looks like a mini Hulk.
It does look like a mini Hulk. Mini Hulk! I'm just like coloring like all of it the same color. Well, I'm coloring the head and the big huge ears. This brownie color. This is like the ugliest color.
Oh my gosh.
I don't even care if it's like all colored in. Wow, yours is sloppy. I know, because I don't even care.
You should care. This is life or death.
But remember, you have to hurry because we only have 3 minutes. That's why I'm going sloppy. Yeah, so just go sloppy since we only have 3 minutes. Look how sloppy that is, because I don't even care. What is wrong with you?
Everything.
You know, once the timer goes off, you're like done. You can't color it anymore. We're gonna have to show them it when it's not fully colored, but
I don't even really care. Isaiah, show them. It has to Okay, I'm doing blue now. This is like a zombie version of Piglet, like after the death when he comes. No! I didn't even get to color the butterflies.
I didn't even get to color the
face.
Alexa, stop!
Alexa, stop. Mine looks like Piglet in his afterlife. He has like a brownish, purplish color skin, and I didn't even finish coloring like his outfit. I guess maybe he's just like naked, or I don't know. Okay, well, this turned out weird. Hopefully I get better luck next time.
Well, mine, I didn't have any good colors.
Is
At
the
least,
best one.
Yes, but it has a beard, or whatever you can call that. It's a...
Okay, stop laughing.
Okay, mine's just a ninja that basically turned into a zombie pig.
On to the next round. We are going to color a basket full of Easter eggs. Okay, Ezra, close your eyes and pick your colors, markers, whatever.
yellow, purple, and red.
Okay, now close your eyes and pick your colors.
of black, skin color, and yellow.
Now I'm gonna close my eyes.
Okay, my colors.
Jeez. These are pretty good for Easter eggs, I guess. Those are not. Okay, we're gonna color now. Alexa, set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Starting now.
Okay.
Ready, color? I got the color you got last time, Ezra.
Oh, I got black.
Yeah, you got black.
This is the worst game ever. I mean it.
Just don't ruin the markers. Yeah, color fast, but color soft. Mine looks so weird. I'm like super sloppy again. I got the same color Ezra got that he used for Piglet. The purple color-ish pink, purplish pink. I'm coloring the Easter basket bow with it.
Well, I can't use black at all. Because this outline is blurred.
That sucks. You have to use every color. Wait, which colors are mine? Which colors are yours? Are these mine? No, that one's mine. These are mine, right? No. Wait, which one's mine? This one was mine. And then I got this. And I got this. Well, then you have 4, Ezra. Look, I only have 2.
Yes, this is what I like to see. Sabotage, guys.
Okay.
Make me look good,
Oh,
guys.
now I need to color faster because I'm messed up. Oh, this one has like not as fine as a tip, so I can color faster. Next time we do this, let's not use fine tip markers because fine tip markers are definitely not for coloring. But it's all we really have, so we'll use what we've got. So Isaiah like started with his Easter egg. I'm doing the bow in the Easter basket, but I'm trying to like bow in the Easter basket. Seriously? Okay, I'm trying to hurry because I want to actually finish this one unlike I did with Piglet.
Hopefully I can do better next time, guys.
This is like the worst. I think mine's going out pretty good. Mine's pretty good, I guess. It has like pretty good colors. It's just super sloppy.
Mine's got the best color.
It's just super sloppy. Seriously.
Wait, I don't even think you guys want to look at this. It's so sloppy. Isaiah, don't break my markers. No. Oh, no. Dang it. I barely even got to use the purple.
This turned out pretty good. I think it's like the same as last time because it's super sloppy and I didn't even really try. I was just trying to use all my colors, so yeah.
I have no comment.
It's ugly.
Okay, I think mine turned out pretty good, but my coloring isn't so sloppy this time.
Last and final round 3. We're gonna be coloring Pikachu with Jigglypuff, if you know who that is. Okay,
And then there's an app.
Ezra, close your eyes and pick 3 colors. Fast.
1, 2, 3. 3. Yellow, purple, and red. I didn't want to. Okay, Isaiah, close your eyes and pick colors. Hopefully you get better luck. Purple, yellow, and green. Okay, now I'm gonna pick 1, 2, 3. Orange, green, and blue.
I got the best colors with this.
I didn't even get yellow.
Jigglypuff is pink, I think.
Yeah.
And then Pikachu is yellow.
Alright, let's color.
Alexa.
Why do you keep doing it? Set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Starting now.
You do it at like the same time. What color am I gonna do? Pikachu! Okay, I'm gonna do Jigglypuff orange. This is going to be so weird.
Pokemon.
Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Even though I hate it, so.
Whoa.
Pokemon. It doesn't have the best song, but
It is the best song.
no. Okay, Isaiah has an obsession over Pokemon.
Do not.
Okay. You've been watching Pokemon
Zip
since
it.
you were 0. And I was 0 and you're still watching it. I don't know if he could remember that he was watching it at 0.
Yeah, I
His
could.
mom said. Jigglypuff looks so weird. Orange.
Just like you.
Well, I'm not orange, so orange is the closest color to pink. Get wrecked.
This is my Pikachu with Jigglypuff. I didn't get to color the apple. I barely got to color Pikachu and the stars or anything. Pikachu looks like he's a zombie. Literally, he's green. And Jigglypuff looks like he's going to breathe. What? It looks like he's going to breathe acid or spit out acid because his mouth is green. This looks bad. This looks bad.
Well, listen, my Pikachu's yellow, and my Jigglypuff is a giant purple gumball.
I didn't do so good because I only used one color, but I think my Pikachu looks pretty good.
Thumbs down. You're only supposed to use you're supposed to use your 3 colors, all of them.
I know, but I was coloring Pikachu.
An independent judge has voted for the winners. First, Piglet, the bearded Hulk, which was Isaiah's. Then, the Easter basket, that was mine. And then, the Pikachu with the purple gumball, which was Isaiah's.
Undefeated.
So, this was definitely a challenge, especially with the 3 minutes. We didn't finish like any. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Yes.
See ya, bye.